Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll take a comprehensive tour of Veed's main features, giving you a glimpse of what this editor has to offer. So let's dive in. First off, we have the Settings menu at the top. Here, you can customize the size or aspect ratio of your video to fit your intended platform. Veed offers a variety of pre-built size templates for different use cases, and you can adjust your video's duration, change the background color, or add a background image with ease. Next up is the Clean Audio tool, powered by AI. This feature automatically enhances your recorded audio quality by removing background noise, ensuring crystal clear sound for your videos. Moving along, we have the Media tab. Here you can add additional video footage to your project. Simply select the desired clip from the stock footage library, and it will instantly appear in your timeline. You can add and delete files as needed, giving you full control over your project's content. Then, there's the Audio tab, which allows you to add or record audio files and choose from a selection of stock audio options. Whether you need background music or voiceovers, Veed has you covered. Next, we have the Subtitles feature, which enables you to generate automatic subtitles for your videos. In the Elements tab, you can spice up your projects with custom shapes, images, emojis, progress bars, and even animated sound waves. Get creative and add unique elements to make your videos stand out. Transition effects are up next, allowing you to seamlessly connect your video clips with smooth animated transitions. Make your edits flow seamlessly from one scene to the next. In the Filters tab, you can add color grading and video effects to give your footage a distinctive look. Experiment with different filters to find the perfect style for your video. Lastly, we have the Help icon at the bottom, connecting you with Veed's support team for any assistance or troubleshooting you may need. That's it for now. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try Veed.io for free.